Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions. Make sure iOS and Instagram are updated so notification frameworks match. Outdated software often breaks delivery. Next, open settings and inspect notifications for Instagram. Allow alerts, banners, and sounds. Then check focus or do not disturb. Turn them off or add Instagram to allowed apps and people. Once those basics are set, move on to deeper diagnostics to catch permission or background issues that simple toggles don't fix. Now you'll perform the more detailed fixes that handle delivery and system behavior. Force close Instagram and reboot your iPhone to clear transient glitches. This refreshes push token registration. Go to Settings General Background App Refresh and ensure it's on for Instagram so the app can receive updates in the background. Open Instagram's own settings notifications to confirm push categories like messages, comments, and stories are enabled. Once done, test by sending a message or mention to validate notifications arrive. To finish, take the final steps that re-establish account tokens and network links. Log out of Instagram and log back in. If that doesn't work, reinstall the app to force new push registration. If notifications still fail, reset network settings to clear problematic DNS or cellular settings. Remember, this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. As a last troubleshooting tip, update iOS to refresh Apple push certificates or contact Instagram support. Push certificates or server-side account flags can block notifications until resolved.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.